In the ever-evolving landscape of global agriculture, the combine harvester stands as a symbol of innovation and adaptability. As the world's population grows and demands for food increase, efficient harvesting has never been more vital. Yet, the journey of the combine harvester is not a singular story. It is a tale of adaptation across continents, crops, and cultures. At its core, the combine harvester is a marvel of engineering, designed to perform three critical functions in one seamless operation: reaping, threshing, and winnowing. Originally developed for staple grains such as wheat and barley, the combine's versatility has since expanded to encompass a diverse array of crops. This adaptation has been driven by necessity, as farmers across the world grow everything from rice in the paddies of Southeast Asia to corn in the expansive fields of North America, to sunflowers in the steppes of Eastern Europe. Adapting the combine to various crops is both a technical and practical challenge. Different plants have unique physical characteristics: height, density, moisture content, and seed size that require specialized attachments and configurations. For instance, harvesting rice, which often grows in flooded fields, demands tracks or tires suited for wet conditions, as well as headers that can gently handle the delicate stalks. Corn, on the other hand, requires corn headers that can strip ears from thick stalks while minimizing loss. Similarly, crops like soybeans, canola, and even specialty crops such as lentils, peas, or sunflowers each necessitate their own unique adjustments. Manufacturers have responded to this demand by developing a wide range of specialty crop attachments and modular components, allowing farmers to swap out parts depending on their harvest. Yet the story of combine harvesters is not just about machinery. It is about overcoming regional harvesting challenges that arise from the earth itself. Harvesting across the globe means working under vastly different climate conditions. In the arid plains of Australia, dust and heat can clog machinery and test the endurance of both operator and equipment. In contrast, the monsoon-soaked fields of India bring challenges of mud, rust, and high humidity. Cold, damp regions in northern Europe require harvesters to be able to operate efficiently, even as the autumn rains threaten to spoil crops. Engineers have responded with innovations such as improved sealing against dust and moisture, climate-specific engine cooling systems, and advanced traction control for muddy or slippery terrain. Beyond the physical environment, there is the human element, cultural harvesting practices that have evolved over centuries. In some regions, harvesting is still a community affair, a time of celebration and shared labor. Traditional methods, often involving hand tools or animal power, persist in many parts of the world, particularly where smallholder farms dominate or where access to modern equipment is limited. Here, the introduction of mechanized harvesting is both a boon and a challenge. While combines can drastically increase efficiency and reduce labor requirements, they also disrupt traditional rhythms and social structures. In some cultures, the transition from hand harvesting to mechanized methods represents not just a technological leap, but a profound shift in the relationship between people, land, and food. In other areas, particularly where agriculture is a large-scale commercial enterprise, mechanized harvesting has become the norm. The sight of massive combines sweeping across golden fields is a familiar one in the American Midwest, the Canadian prairies, and the vast agricultural regions of Brazil and Argentina. Here, efficiency and scale drive every decision, and the focus is on maximizing yield and minimizing waste. The differences between traditional and mechanized harvesting are stark, and yet both methods continue to coexist and, at times, complement each other. The march of technology continues, and with it, the international market for combine harvesters is rapidly evolving. Emerging economies, particularly in Asia and Africa, are experiencing significant growth in mechanized agriculture. As smallholder farmers seek to increase productivity and meet the demands of growing populations, there is a rising demand for affordable, adaptable combines. Manufacturers are responding by developing smaller, more accessible machines, designed to operate efficiently on small plots and in challenging environments. These new models often feature simplified controls, lower fuel consumption, and easier maintenance, making them ideal for regions where technical expertise and spare parts may be scarce. At the same time, established markets are seeing a push toward precision agriculture, integrating advanced sensors, GPS guidance, and data analytics into combine harvesters. These innovations allow farmers to monitor yields in real time, adjust harvesting parameters on the fly, and optimize the entire process from field to storage. The result is not only greater efficiency, but also improved sustainability, as resources can be allocated more effectively and waste can be minimized. Yet, even as technology advances, the global market faces complex challenges. Trade policies, currency fluctuations, and shifting consumer preferences all play a role in shaping the future of combine harvesting. As global supply chains adapt to new realities, manufacturers must be nimble, offering a range of products tailored to local markets while maintaining the flexibility to respond to changing demands. In some parts of the world, the focus is on specialty crops, grapes for wine, olives for oil, or nuts for export. Here, specialized harvesters, often smaller and more maneuverable, are designed to handle delicate fruit without bruising or loss. These machines reflect the diversity of global agriculture and the ingenuity of those who design and build them. Ultimately, the combine harvester is more than just a machine. It is a testament to human ingenuity, adaptability, and the drive to feed a growing world. Whether rolling across vast industrial farms or navigating the patchwork fields of smallholders, the combine is an essential part of the global food system. Its story is one of constant evolution, shaped by the land, the crops, the people, and the markets it serves. As we look to the future, the role of the combine harvester will continue to change. New crops, new climates, and new markets will demand ever greater flexibility and innovation. Yet, at its heart, the combine will remain a symbol of the intersection between tradition and progress. A machine that, in its relentless drive across the world's fields, brings together the old and the new in the timeless quest to harvest the bounty of the earth.